Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And I am here tonight to show you guys what oils I'm going to use to, well, I'm going to do a DIY. Mixing oils together for my hair. I went to Walmart tonight and I bought this container here. It really is made for mustard and ketchup, but I'm going to use it to put my oil, you know, mixture over in it. And I am going to show you guys what oils that I am going to use. It's Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil, and I guess it has coconut oil in it also. I'm just going to use a little of this coconut oil that I've gotten from Dollar Tree. And this castor oil here I got from one of my hair supply store. Olive oil. This jojoba oil, which I got from my local beauty supply store. Tea tree oil, which I got from my local beauty supply store. Peppermint oil, which I got from my local beauty supply store. And I thought about putting a little wintergreen essential oil over in it too, just to give it some smell. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all the oils together, and I'm not measuring it. I'm just going to pour, you know, to my liking. And I will be doing a video on tomorrow to show you guys how my hair is looking. And I've been doing a technique that one of my subscribers told me to do, and I will share that with you on my next video. Okay, so let me get my container together. First of all, I'm going to use all my black Jamaican oil here, my black castor oil. Then I'm going to, yeah, you can smell the coconut oil over in this black Jamaican oil, castor oil. So let me pour a little of the coconut oil, pouring it to my liking. And just this little olive oil that I have, I'm going to pour the rest. Here's my jojoba oil. I just left a little. I used half of it. Half of the jojoba oil. Half of my tea tree oil. And I'm going to use half of the peppermint oil. And you guys, I am going to use about 10 drops of the Wintergreen Essential Oil. Okay. Yeah, and my grapeseed oil. And I am going to go ahead and mix the oil together by shaking it, rotating it. And you guys, this is going to be my DIY oil mixture that I'm going to use on my hair, and I will show you guys on tomorrow. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.